In October 2025, Fairview Heights, Illinois. A routine traffic stop quickly turns into a dangerous situation no officer expected.
Yes. Fairview 187. My vehicle's just been hit. Start an ambulance.
Hey, what happened?
You tell me!
I need a new car.
Somebody ran into me, pushed my vehicle into the other vehicle. Start an ambulance. Need a supervisor. Here, come over here, buddy. Get out of the road. Here, have a seat real quick. Have a seat. You all right?
Yeah, I'm all right.
What happened, dude?
I don't know, man. I've been drinking.
You been drinking?
Yeah, I've been drinking.
Okay.
And I took some weed pills.
Some weed
Fucked
pills?
up. Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else in the car?
Nah, it's just me.
187. Start a trooper. Here, just sit down, man. Just sit down.
All right.
Driver tells me he's been drinking and took some weed pills.
Here, let me get
No.
my phone.
Sit down, sit down.
Okay.
I don't want you to get hit, okay? Hey, you guys all right up in there? All right, just hang tight, okay? All right, just chill, okay?
Okay.
Were you wearing your seatbelt?
I don't know. The airbag went off.
Good.
Everything went off.
I'm good, I didn't get hit.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Yep.
148187. I was outside of my vehicle. The occupants in the vehicle I stopped seemed to be okay also. I have the driver of the Unit 1 vehicle sitting on the ground right now.
Am I going to jail?
Oh, I didn't say that. Just hang tight. I'm concerned that you're okay, all right?
What's up, buddy?
You all right, man?
It's a nice car I just crashed.
Are you the owner of that car?
Yes, sir.
What year is it?
2018. It was 2018.
Was it 2018?
Yeah. Man, I ain't never been to a car accident. Not like that.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy, dude. Where you coming from?
Huh?
Where were you coming from?
The Walmart up the street.
In O'Fallon?
In O'Fallon, yeah.
Okay. All right. You and your passenger good though, right? Okay.
You guys got it? You safe?
Yeah.
All right. I got some other guys coming. Okay. 187. We do have some lane blockage on the southbound lanes.
Yes, sir. Can I stand up? My head's getting light.
Just sit down, man. You just in a bad accident. I don't want you to get hurt. Okay. You wandering around out in that traffic, somebody gonna hit you.
Somebody gonna hit me. I got insurance. It ain't gonna cover that though.
Well, I don't know, but that's not what we're concerned about right now. We're concerned about everybody's okay, all right?
All right.
You got your driver's license on you, man?
Yeah.
Can I see it real quick?
You guys got pulled over or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where's your driver's license at, man? Is it still in the car or you got it on you?
I got it on me.
Can I see it real quick?
I did that on purpose, sir.
What, you hit me on purpose?
Yeah, I did.
Why is that?
I'm bored.
You bored?
I'm bored.
Fairview 187. Copy subject.
How you doing, boss?
Last of Jennings, John, Edward, Nora, Nora, Ida, Nora, George, Sam.
Huh?
First of King,
Yeah,
Edward,
I
Adam,
crashed into him.
John, Ida, Ocean, Nora.
You got insurance on your car?
Yeah, I do.
187. Copy subject that I stopped initially.
Damn, I don't know how to get home.
So you ran in the back of me on purpose?
Yep.
Why is that?
I hate cops, man.
Yeah?
I hate.
Why is that?
I was raped. No one helped me.
When was this?
I don't remember. I
Yeah.
know I was raped and no one helped me.
Okay. All right. We got an ambulance coming, okay?
All right.
All right.
They gonna take me home or I'm going?
I don't know. You ain't got no weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
All
No
right.
knife, no
Go ahead and put your hand behind your back for me.
All right. So am I going in the ambulance?
They're going to come and check you out, okay, partner?
Okay.
All right.
You put my wallet back in my pocket?
Yeah.
Good morning.
You all right, bud?
Yes, sir.
Your friend all right in the car?
My just he's okay. Just put his over, that's all.
All right. Just hang tight, okay? 187, go. So, wait a second.
I was going home.
343. He says he ran into me on purpose because he hit stops.
The suspect in this case had admitted to consuming alcohol and marijuana edibles before the stop. What began as a simple traffic violation, a 5-year expired license plate, escalated fast. Without warning, he deliberately rammed the officer's cruiser, pushing it into another stopped vehicle, later telling police he did it because he does not like police. Thankfully, no officers or civilians were seriously injured. The driver was arrested at the scene and taken to the St. Clair County Jail. He now faces multiple felony charges, including criminal damage to government property, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, and aggravated battery with a motor vehicle. This shocking incident out of Fairview Heights, Illinois, is a reminder that no traffic stop is ever truly routine. Even the calmest moments can turn violent in seconds. These are real-life events, unpredictable, dangerous, and all caught on body cam. These real-life moments remind us just how unpredictable law enforcement can be. Every call, every stop, every decision can change lives in seconds. If you believe stories like this need to be seen and heard, take a moment to subscribe. It helps us share more verified body cam footage and real stories that matter. Hit like if you support the men and women who put their lives on the line every day, and let us know in the comments what you think of this case. Do you believe the suspect's actions were intentional, or was it a moment of panic? We want to hear your perspective. Your feedback drives the conversation, and your engagement helps this channel grow so we can keep bringing you accurate, unfiltered content that shows what really happens on the streets. Thank you for watching. Stay aware, stay safe,